Hello, everybody. On this episode, we will finish the story of the Golden Bird. Now, let's do a quick recap. The king's apples got stolen by a golden bird. So the king wanted the golden bird. The gardener's eldest son went away and got stuck in Pleasureville. The gardener's second son also went to get the bird, and he also got stuck in Pleasantville. The youngest son went, and time and again he did not listen to the fox's advice. But at long last, he got the princess, he got the bird and the horse, and then the fox gave him the last advice: not to help people that was sentenced to death. And he did not listen. And the fox told him not to sit down by the side of a river. And the youngest son did not listen. And at the river, his brothers betrayed him and left him for dead. Now let's see what happens when the fox came and found him at the river. Now Peter Parrot had to go away today. So today our last episode will be told by Cindy Cat. Now the fox said, "I cannot leave you here, so lay hold of my tail and hold fast." Then he pulled him out of the river and said to him, as he got upon the bank, "Your brothers have set watch to kill you, if they find you at the kingdom." So he dressed himself as a poor man, and came secretly to the king's court, and was scarcely within the doors, when the horse began to eat, and the bird to sing, and the princess left off weeping. Then he went to the king and told him all his brother's roguery. What is roguery? To be a rogue, to be a criminal. His brothers were robbers and murderers. So his brothers were seized and punished, and he had the princess given to him again. And after the king's death, he was heir to this kingdom. A long while after, he went to walk one day in the wood, and the old fox met him, and besought him with tears in his eyes, "Please kill me, cut off my head and feet." And at last he did so, and in a moment the fox was changed into a man, and it turned out to be the brother of the princess, who had been lost a great many years. Oh, his wife must have been very happy to see her brother again. Now, guys, we must always listen to good advice. And how do we know if the advice is good? It will be what's best for us. If your mom and dad tells you to do something, you know they love you. and they want what's best for you. That's why we follow their advice. Now, everybody, I can't wait for our next episode. The next story would be Hans in Luck. So, have a lovely day and see you again soon. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye everybody.